You can charge your vehicle anywhere, using a portable charger. Shift the gear to P before you start charging. Open the charge port door. Plug the portable charger into a power outlet. The charging status indicator will light up. Check the fault indicator to confirm there are no problems with the charger. Press the button to adjust the charging current. The charging current changes each time the button is pressed. The charging time may vary depending on the charging current. Remove the protection caps. Connect the charging connector to the vehicle. The status indicator lights up and charging starts. When the charging is complete, press the button to disconnect the charging connector.
Kia, movement that inspires.